Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to write a program to find the largest number in an array. So let's suppose we have an array of size 10. Let's name this array ARR and the size is 10. The first thing that we have to do is we have to assign values to the array. So for that, we'll be using for loop. I is less than 10, I plus plus. There's an error. Now we'll use a printf statement to print a message. Please enter a number. And after that, we will use scanf statement, get the input of the elements of the array using a scanf statement. So this is going to be like this. Now, after getting the value from the user, now we have to check the greatest value, the highest value in the array. So there will be 10 values and we have to find out which of the following value is highest in this array. So for that, I'm going to create a variable and I'm going to name it m. This is the variable that will contain the highest value. And I'm going to assign it the first value of the array, which is 1. Sorry, it is going to be 0. So now you can see that m is a variable that contains the first value of the array, and now we are going to compare this m with every element in the array, and if that element will be greater than m, we will update the value of m. So that's how it works. So let's do it. First of all, we will start a loop again. Int I is equal to 0. I is less than 10. I plus plus. After that, now we are going to use decision making if ARR I, and we are going to start this uh, I from 1 because we have already stored 0 in the m, so we do not have to compare that again. So if array I is greater than m, then what we have to do is we have to update the value of m. So this will check every element in an array, and once the check has been completed, we will be able to print the result outside the loop. The result or the highest value is, and we are going to print the value of m. So let's run this program once and check whether the program is working correctly or not. So a console screen will be presented in front of you, and let's suppose I went to 12. There was an error. Yeah, the error is that I have missed ampersand sign here. So these are the errors that you can face while writing a program, and you have to be very careful about these errors because these syntax error can stop the execution of your program. So we have to start again, enter a number. Let's suppose I have entered 12 first, then 7, then minus 3, then minus 9, then 8, then 7, 91, 8, minus 1, 0. So I think I have entered 10 values and the highest value has not been printed. What's the issue there? Let's check it. Okay, I have missed the format specifier here, percentage %d. So that's why nothing was printed on the screen. So let's do it once again. 5 is the first value, then 9 is the second value, 12 is the third value, minus 8 is, then minus 7, 6, 21, 97, 81, and 0. So the maximum value is, highest value is 97. So this is how you can perform this operation in an array using comparison if else statement. Similarly, if you have to find the smallest value, you just have to do one thing, which is you have to change the sign of greater than with smaller than sign. So now when you will run the program, now you'll see the lowest value. Let's suppose I have entered minus 3, 8, minus 9, 12, 1, 0, 6, 18, minus 9. So the output here is minus 9, which is the smallest value. So this is how you can perform this operation in array. This was a simple program that we have discussed today. If there is any question, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have liked the content, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.